Ever wondered how to effortlessly fund your stash account and start investing? You're not alone. Think about it. You've decided to take control of your financial future, and Stash is the perfect platform to start your investing journey. But how do you get your hard-earned money into this digital investment haven? In this video, we're going to break down the process step by step. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we'll guide you through the simple steps to transfer money to your Stash account. Step 1. Linking your bank account. The first step is to connect your bank account to your Stash account. This is a one-time process that will allow you to seamlessly transfer funds. Log into your Stash account. Navigate to your profile settings. Look for the Bank Accounts section. Click on Add Bank Account. Enter your bank account information. Tip: for added security, consider using two-factor authentication. Step 2. Funding your Stash account. Now that your bank account is linked, it's time to fund your Stash account. Go to your Stash dashboard. Locate the Deposit or Fund Account button. Select the amount you want to transfer. Choose your bank account from the linked options. Confirm the transfer. Note: depending on your bank, the transfer may take a few business days to process. Step 3. Auto Invest, optional. If you want to set up automatic investments, Stash offers a convenient feature called Auto Invest. Go to your Stash settings. Find the Auto Invest section. Customize your investment settings. Choose your investment frequency and amount. By enabling Auto Invest, you can consistently contribute to your investments without having to manually transfer funds each time. Additional tips and considerations. Check your bank's transfer limits. Some banks may have daily or monthly limits on the amount you can transfer. Consider using direct deposit. If you're receiving a paycheck, you can set up direct deposit to your Stash account, making it even easier to save and invest. Review your investment choices. Before transferring funds, make sure you're comfortable with your investment strategy and the underlying assets. Transferring money to your Stash account is a straightforward process that can help you kickstart your investing journey. By following these steps and considering the additional tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.